To deploy a Spring Boot application on render.com, follow these steps. Prepare the Spring Boot application. Ensure your Spring Boot application is ready for deployment. Build the application using Maven or Gradle. This will generate a jar file which will be used for deployment. Create a Render account. Go to render.com and sign up or log in if you already have an account. Create a new web service. Once logged in, click on the new button in the dashboard. Select Web Service. Choose a repository from GitHub, GitLab or Bitbucket where your Spring Boot project is stored, or you can manually upload a jar file. Configure the web service. Set the environment to Java 11 or the appropriate version that your Spring Boot application requires. In the build command, specify the Maven or Gradle build command if you're using Git. If uploading a jar, Render will detect it automatically. Set the start comment to the following. Deploy and monitor. Click Create Web Service. Render will automatically build and deploy your Spring Boot application. After deployment, you will receive a URL where your Spring Boot app is live. Manage deployment. You can monitor logs, scale services, and set environment variables directly from the Render dashboard.